Hi everyone, this is Annette with Chandra Ayurveda in Astrology, and I'm creating this really short video to explain how to find your rising sign online using a program called Deva Guru. This is just a simple way to figure out what is my rising sign, and you can use this with my commentary on Rahu's transit coming up this year, October 30th. 2023. So I just wanted to give a little explanation on how to find your rising sign. And your rising sign is the sign that is rising from the east at the time of your birth. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. And as you can see, this is Deva Guru. That's what this program is called. So you go to devaguru.com and you'll get this screen come up. You'll put in your birth date, location of birth, and the time of birth. The closer and more accurate the time birth, the more accurate then your chart will be. And this larger box here is your birth chart. Don't worry about these other two charts here. Just look at the one all the way to the left, which is usually the largest one. Now, you'll notice that some of these are a little bit different. You want to pick the North Indian chart. And if you go to this little corner right here, you'll see it changes. You can click on it and it changes. You want this chart right here. This is the easiest to use, and it's called the North Indian chart. This first diamond here is your first house and where your rising sign is located. It's called the Lagna, your first house. This is all about you, who you are as a person. So you'll notice that each triangle or diamond have these numbers in the corners, and these are the signs. So we have 12 of these with 12 numbers that correlate to the 12 zodiac signs. So whatever number is here in this first diamond, that is your rising sign based on Deva Guru. This is after you've entered your birth information, of course. So when you look at my commentary on Rahu's transit that I have sent out, and if you're on my email list, you should have gotten it. And if you're not, it's something you can download. I'll have it available for a while that you can download from my website at chandraayurveda.com. And what I base my summary and my and what you can expect with Rahu's transit is based off of your rising sign. So this number 8, for example, stands for Scorpio. So, we start with Aries, Taurus, Gemini, number 4 is for Cancer, and so on. So whatever number is right here, that is your rising sign. The number 8, this is just an example here, is Scorpio. So we always count counterclockwise, and Rahu's going to be in Pisces come at the end of October. So then you would count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, inclusive count. So you include the first house, which is where your rising sign is at. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Rahu is 5 houses from your rising sign. So then you will look at the handout that I have created, and you'll see I have in there written 5th house from Lagna, and then it'll go on to tell you what will happen. And so, for example, if let's say you are a Scorpio rising, Pisces will be 5th from your rising sign, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have put here your decision-making ability will be affected. Watch your spending and investments. This is not a good time to invest, gamble, or make life-changing decisions. This is a time to be conservative and patient. The 5th house has to do with decision-making, investments, students, children. So Rahu will be in your 5th house if you are a Scorpio rising. Another way to find the Lagna is you can just scroll down and you'll see here, it says Lagna, and you'll see here abbreviated SC, and that stands for Scorpio, and it even gives you the degrees. and the nakshatra or the lunar constellation that it's located in. So that's just another way. If you're not sure, what is number 5? Let's say this was a number 5. What is that? You can scroll down here, just look under Lagna and look across, and you'll see abbreviated the sign that it correlates to. So I hope this helps. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me. I look forward to hearing from you. And if you want to schedule a Vedic astrology consultation, please either email me or visit my website for more information. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day. Light and love.